Hi, I'm Anesa, one of the founders of Eat the Plate, and I'm going to talk to you today about this awesome product in front of you called Eat the Plate. So, as you can see, two pieces here. And on the plate, we have little indents for easy turning. And on the cover, we have awesome grips that make it hard for little ones to kind of move it once it's on the table. And this is how you close it. So it's got a little clamp and it easily snaps, and when you open it, easily opens. And when you close it here, only spins in one direction. So when you spin, easy to spin. It is also dishwasher safe. Let me tell you, as a mama, I was not going to provide a product to you guys that I personally did not want as a consumer, because this thing was going in the dishwasher. And it's also made in the USA, so something that we are really proud of. So if you want more tips and tricks, watch our other tutorials. Go visit eattheplate.com and make sure you like and share.